What are the steps involved in transferring funds from a Bitcoin wallet to a bank account?
Hello and welcome to this instructional video. Today, we'll be tackling an important question: how to transfer funds from a Bitcoin wallet to a traditional bank account. This guide will be useful for both novice cryptocurrency users and those with more experience who need a refresher on the process.
What will you need?
Before we start, it's essential to ensure that you have everything required. 1. Bitcoin wallet. This is where your Bitcoin is stored. Make sure you have access to your wallet. 2. Bitcoin exchange. This is a platform where you can convert your Bitcoin to a traditional currency. Some of the most popular include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. 3. Bank account. Ensure you have all the necessary information for your bank account, including the account number and the bank's routing number.
How do you transfer Bitcoin to the exchange?
Firstly, you need to transfer your Bitcoin from your wallet to a Bitcoin exchange. Here's how to do it. 1. Log into your Bitcoin wallet and the exchange. 2. In the exchange, navigate to your account or wallet page. Look for a button or option to deposit or receive Bitcoin. 3. Here, you should see a Bitcoin address, a long string of numbers and letters. This is the address you will send your Bitcoin to. 4. Copy this address, go back to your Bitcoin wallet, select the option to send or transfer Bitcoin, and paste the copied Bitcoin address from the exchange. 5. Confirm the transaction, and your Bitcoin should be on its way to the exchange.
How do you convert Bitcoin to traditional currency?
After transferring the Bitcoin to the exchange, the next step is converting it into traditional currency. Here's the process. 1. In your exchange account, navigate to the Sell option. 2. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. Ensure you're selling it for your desired traditional currency, USD, EUR, GBP, etc. 3. Confirm the sale. This action will convert your Bitcoin to your chosen traditional currency, which will be stored in your exchange account.
How do you transfer money to your bank account?
The final step is to transfer the money from the exchange to your bank account. 1. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer Out option on your exchange account. 2. Select your desired traditional currency and input the amount you want to transfer. 3. You'll be prompted to provide your bank account information. Provide the correct details and confirm the transfer. 4. The exchange will process the transaction, and the funds should arrive in your bank account within a few business days. That's it. You've successfully navigated the process of transferring Bitcoin from a wallet to a bank account. Remember, the steps might slightly vary depending on the Bitcoin wallet and exchange you use, but the general process remains the same. Always double-check your transactions and keep your account secure. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.